Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Bendigo bank app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Bendigo bank app. If it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So first of all, you have to press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. Okay. Then here it will open your app info section. Then you have to scroll down slowly. And then you have to click on the storage app. And then click on the clear data, just clear the data, then open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work, you have to check for the update. You can use your Google Play Store, or you can use your search button also. So here I am using the Google search. Same goes to Apple users. Just go here, it says for Bendigo bank app. So here we can say it. Just click on here update and run. So find this video helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.